Learn daily use sentences in English.
The moon is shining. The moon is shining. Nobody will go out in the darkness. Nobody will go out in the darkness. She is looking towards the car. She is looking towards the car. We are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere. Mother is feeling down today. Mother is feeling down today. There is no way to go outside. There is no way to go outside. Be aware, you may fall asleep. Be aware, you may fall asleep. My father always drops me at school. My father always drops me at school. Move forward in the crowd. Move forward in the crowd. I'm attending a wedding next week. I'm attending a wedding next week. You don't deserve this place. You don't deserve this place. The bird is sitting on the branch. The bird is sitting on the branch. I'm running late for my appointment. I'm running late for my appointment. I'm sorry for the misunderstanding. I'm sorry for the misunderstanding. What's your dream vacation destination? What's your dream vacation destination? Can you give me a ride to the bus stand? Can you give me a ride to the bus stand? To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.